Computer History, Part 6.1, Classification of Computers. Classification of computers. Depending upon the hardware design and the ways the data can be handled, computers are basically classified into three: analog computers, digital computers, and hybrid computers. Let's learn one by one in details. Analog computers. Analog computers are those computers that work with natural phenomena and physical values or continuous values. Physical values means the temperature, voltage, current, speed, time, all these are the continuous values. The applications where these analog computers used are speedometer of a vehicle to find the speed of the vehicle. So it is an analog computer. And in your wrist watch. Let's learn a few features of analog computers. It is used for single tasks, does not support multitasking. That means the speedometer is used only to find the speed of the vehicle. That watch is used real time. So it is supports only single tasks and it doesn't store any value. For example, in the case of wristwatch, you can see that the watch continuously gives output as time. It does not store any previous time in the watch. So we can say that the analog computers works on continuous values and it does not store any data. Now let's learn about digital computers. Digital computers are those computers that solve problems by operating on discrete data, or we can say that numeric data, by performing arithmetic and logical processes on data from a stored program. So discrete or numeric value means that the computer understands only the machine language, that is 0 means on and 1 means off. Now let's see the applications where these digital computers are used. Nowadays everywhere you are using is a digital computers. In your home, educational institutions, in office, in scientific fields. So everywhere you can see the digital computers. So let's learn a few features of digital computers. The main feature of this digital computer is it performs all general purpose tasks and it supports multitasking. Multitasking means using your computer, you can work on Word for typing letter, you can use calculator for calculating, and you can use internet for surfing. So these multiple tasks are doing at a time. And another very important feature of this digital computer is they work on stored data. That means they are having a storage capacity. For example, if you want to add two numbers, definitely it is an arithmetic operation. So the computer will store the input value and it processes on it and then gives us the result as an output. And also, it is faster than the analog computers and it is accurate and reliable. Now let's learn about the third type of computer, that is hybrid computers. Computers that has a combination of both analog and digital systems and works on both continuous and discrete data. Since it is the combination of both the analog and digital computer, so it works on both type of data. The best application of this hybrid computer is in the hospital. That is electrocardiograph is there. It is the machine which is used to check the ECG. Leads of this ECG is connected in our body and it is used to find the rate and rhythm of the heartbeat. So our body, the signals is going, it is a waves which is an analog signals that transfer to that machine, ECG machine, and we will get that heart rate and the rhythm of the rate in the digital format. So the ECG machine input is the analog signal and the output that we are getting is a digital signal. So it is a type of hybrid computer where it works on both analog and digital computers. So in the ECG machine, the heartbeat is a physical value and is displayed in digital values. So let us learn a few features of hybrid computers. It is very expensive and it is a complex computer. It has limited storage and it works with both discrete and continuous values. And it is not versatile. So now let us write this in your notebook. Questions and answers. What is an analog computer? Computers in which data is represented in the form of continuously varying physical quantities like pressure, temperature, voltage, current, etc. What is a digital computers? Digital computers that solve problems by operating on discrete data. What is called hybrid computers? Computers that has a combination of both analog and digital system and works on both continuous and discrete data. Thank you, children.